Good morning, Concrete Basic. Good morning, Monday. It's holiday here I'm sailing this job. I've just done my first coat. This is the job that I boxed a couple of months ago. But then it takes time for us to wait for the finishing of this job, because we have to wait till everything is done. Yeah, this is the one. That's our first coat, so I'm doing a second coat for now. Let's bring up my gears. So guys, that's the final coat. As you can see from behind the bucket, that's our final coat. Then I'll see you on when it's done. Hello guys, that's our finished product. Looks good. It looks good. Look at that. Oh, beauty. Love that box, straight. See you on the next job, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Concrete Basic, and follow us on Facebook. Thank you so much. Bye bye.